Hello, welcome back to the channel, and in this series we are talking about electronics. So far we have discussed about what is the mindset required for electronics and the segments of electronics. You may find the link here, and in this video we are going to talk about embedded systems. So if you have seen the previous videos, especially the one of microcontrollers, you would know that we discussed how embedded system is different than a general purpose computing system, where general purpose computing system is meant to perform any operation. An embedded system is made for a specific task. With the given knowledge of sensors, microcontrollers and actuators, you have the immense possibility of making any combination possible. It could be the most useful product or the most weirdest product that ever existed. And as it is said that with great power comes great responsibility, the same applies for embedded systems as well. You have the possibility to connect any sensor with any given logic to produce any output. But the beauty of embedded system is that it is designed to achieve a specific goal. So what is the most efficient way possible to achieve that goal? I have also made a video that talks about how Maslow's hierarchy of needs can be applied in product. I will mention the link here, you may see that, and in that video I talk exactly about this, how there are 5 levels of any product development and how you can climb up the ladder. The beauty of the embedded system lies at the top of the pyramid. To recall, your embedded system must be functional, then reliable, usable, proficient, and then creative. So following these 5 levels, your embedded system will become the most optimized version of itself. And remember that you might be starting with Arduino, Raspberry Pi or ESP32, but these are all called development boards. At the end, when you are going for production, your system will not have any of these. You have to design a custom PCB and it would be very optimized version of whatever you are making so far. So by minimizing the components required, both in terms of sensors, logic and actuators, you will be optimizing your system for the production. Firstly, it will reduce the cost and also it will be easier on you in the long run. So let's understand what we have discussed so far with an example. So consider that you want to make a digital thermometer. Primary task of a digital thermometer is to measure the temperature and display it to us. So now consider that we have a sensor available in the market, that is DHT. Considering DHT, it gives us temperature, humidity and a few more things. So using this as a primary sensor is a waste of resource here. Instead, we can use a different sensor like LM35. Like, this might sound technical, but what I'm talking about is a sensor that is specifically designed to measure temperature. Now this is using the resources at its optimized version. So whenever you are making an embedded system, you have to optimize your system such that it is only meant to do what is exactly needed. With this, it will reduce the cost and also the factors on which your system can fail. So by minimizing and optimizing your system, you are ensuring that your embedded system works exactly how it is intended to. So wrapping up this video, I would like to repeat the same quote: with great power comes great responsibility. So optimize your system and make embedded systems work how they are intended to. Bye.